Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming December 7th trading week. In front of you, I have the economic calendar, and on Monday, we kick things off right away with industrial production coming out of Germany. Should be a DAX and Euro moving event. Tuesday gets a little bit more interesting as we get GDP coming out of the European Union, and then GDP estimates coming out of the United Kingdom. After that, things get a little bit more quiet until we get into the Wednesday session. Then we get several German announcements again. Again, a Euro and DAX moving event. We get crude oil stocks change on Wednesday. That, of course, is a big mover of the oil markets. And then we have the Kiwis with their interest rate decision and monetary policy statement. That probably will be more important than the interest rate decision itself. Could affect risk appetite around the world if they suggest that there are a lot of concerns. We have unemployment numbers on Thursday coming out of Australia, and that, of course, will move the Australian dollar. We have the Swiss with an interest rate decision. Probably won't affect too much at this point in time. The Swiss franc is on its back heels anyways. Later on Thursday, we get interest rate decision coming out of, or I should say, Bank of England minutes and their monetary policy statement coming out of England. So that, of course, will move the pound and the FTSE, and then we get the interest rate decision a little later on. So having said all of that, the market looks as if it is going to be very volatile in Britain. We have initial jobless claims following that in America, with non-farm payroll coming out the week before. That generally doesn't move the market too much. And as we drift into the last day of the week on Friday, we basically get retail sales and PPI out of America, probably a minor stock moving event. With that, let's take a look at a couple of weekly charts. Looking at the euro dollar, you can see we had a very positive week as we reach towards the 110 level. If we can get above 110, we think the market will probably reach towards 114. Very, very positive candle. However, when you look at the big scheme of things, not much has changed really. So it is possible that we have the sellers come back into the market buying puts if we cannot get above 110. Crude oil continues to struggle, and the WTI grade is testing $40. Below 40, we should go to 38, and possibly even lower than that. Gold markets had a very bullish week, but you can see there is still a significant amount of resistance at around 1100. So this may offer a put buying opportunity if you're patient enough. With all of that, let the dust settle and see where we find ourselves on a couple days into the week at 1100. If we go well above it, then it could be a call buying opportunity. But if we struggle, that should be a nice sell the rally via put type of situation. With that, we've taken a look at the upcoming week of December 7th.